Yes, guys, I visited one of the farmer in northern Uganda, Agag district. The person is practicing IOM, and the system is non-polluting system of pig farming. And deep on the floor, guys, this one, the owner told me that it helps in the rapid decomposition of the waste. This system is sustainable and eco-friendly that uses a mixture of microbes to break down waste and create a healthy and odor-free environment. In this system, you find that pigs grow faster and it is very easy to identify a sick pig. Then also the system is cost-effective and very easy to manage. Yes, guys, these are the things you can do in your different localities. So it is very simple. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel for more update on pig farming. Thanks.